Hi, this is Kyle from DoMyOwn.com. Every bag of fertilizer has 3 numbers on it. These 3 numbers represent the macronutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the NPK ratio. The percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is usually listed on the bag. So if you have a 20-pound bag of fertilizer and your first number is 24, nitrogen, you can take that 20 and multiply it by 0.24 to get 4.8 pounds of nitrogen in your bag of fertilizer. So those 3 numbers, what do they mean? Up, down, and all around is a great way of remembering what those 3 numbers do. Nitrogen, up, helps promote healthy leaf growth and green up of your lawn. Phosphorus, down, helps plants' roots grow and strengthen. Potassium, all around, helps the overall growth of the plant, keeping them healthy and balanced. To determine the nutrients that your lawn needs, you'll need to analyze your soil. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can take a soil sample to your local extension or co-op office, or you can do an at-home soil analysis kit. If you need help doing your soil sample, we have videos online that can help you with that. Once you get your soil analysis back, this will help you pinpoint the nutrients that you need for your lawn. The test can also help you identify micronutrients or amendments such as lime and sulfur that can help with the pH of your lawn. Once you know this, you can pick out the proper fertilizer that matches your lawn's needs. Your fertilizer application timing will depend on the type of grass that you have. Cool season grasses such as Kentucky bluegrass, rye, and fescue should be fertilized in the spring from March to May when lawn comes back from dormancy, and again in the beginning of fall from September to November. You should fertilize cool season grasses throughout the year depending on the needs of your lawn. You shouldn't fertilize cool season grasses in the warmest summer months because those grasses are dormant during the summer. Warm season grasses such as Bermuda, St. Augustine, and centipede need to be fertilized every 6 to 8 weeks, starting at the beginning of March in spring through the end of summer as late as September, depending on the soil temperature. Depending on your preferences, fertilizer comes in granular and liquid form. Proper fertilization of your lawn will help keep it green, healthy, and free from weeds and disease. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel or give us a thumbs up. You can also check out these other great videos. Thanks!